All right, let's cut right to it. This is your no-nonsense focus guide for UI/UX in 2026. In the next few minutes, we're going to slice through all the noise and show you exactly what you need to know to get hired, and just as important, what you can finally, officially give yourself permission to ignore. Does this look familiar? You're staring at one of those massive, sprawling industry roadmaps, trying to figure out which of the 20 different tools you're supposed to learn first, and you just feel stuck. Yeah, completely overwhelmed. I get it. So I'm going to be real with you. Stop. If that's what you're doing, you are wasting your time. Seriously. Because here's the honest truth. The secret for 2026. The industry doesn't actually care about that long list of tool logos on your resume. They really only care about one thing. Can you help them ship a great product? That's it. That's the real goal. And that's what we're focused on today. So let's build that toolkit right now. We're going to focus on just 5 tools. That's it. Master these, and I promise you'll have everything you need to get hired and start making an impact from day one. First up, number 1, and let's be clear, this is the big one. This one is completely non-negotiable. And no surprise, it's Figma. But I don't want you to think of it as just a tool. It's the entire ecosystem. It's the central hub, the command center, where all the work happens. Honestly, if you only have time to learn one thing, this is it. And we're way past just drawing squares and circles here. Today, Figma is where you're collaborating in real time with your entire team, building prototypes that feel unbelievably real, and even getting help from built-in AI. It's the whole shebang, from that first spark of an idea to the final handoff to your developers. And listen up, because this is the critical part for 2026. The real power move is learning dev mode. You got to remember, your design is just a pretty picture until a developer can actually build it. Mastering this handoff, well, that's what separates the amateurs from the pros who actually get paid. All right, on to the second tool. This is where it all starts to connect, and this one covers the part of the job that, trust me, most beginners completely forget about. Our second tool is Notion, and I want you to think of it as your digital brain, because great design isn't about pixels, it's about great thinking. Notion is where you organize all of that thinking and research to build a solid foundation for your work. This is your home base. It's where you store your user interview notes, where you conduct competitive audits, and most importantly, it's where you build out those killer portfolio case studies that are going to land you a job. And hey, for now, you can totally skip complex tools like Jira. Notion is the perfect, streamlined place to manage your work and even track your own skill tree as you grow. Okay, so you've designed something awesome in Figma. And you've documented your whole process in Notion. Now what? How do you actually prove that your design works, that it's not just a pretty guess? Well, this is where we bring in our truth teller. Every design you make, no matter how confident you are, is really just an educated guess. Tool number 3, Maze, is how you turn that guess into a proven solution. It connects right to your Figma prototype and lets you test it with real users. And I'm going to say this loud and clear so it sticks. Data-driven designers get paid more than vibes-based designers, period. Walking into an interview with cold, hard numbers from a tool like Maze to back up your decisions, that is how you show your value. All right, on to tool number 4. Where do you get your ideas in the first place? And I don't mean those trendy, unrealistic concepts you see online. I mean ideas that actually work in the real world. For that, we turn to Mobbin. This is your inspiration engine. I call it the ultimate cheat code for designers because it's a massive library of screenshots from real live apps. It's where you see how the best companies in the world already solve the exact problem you're facing. You can finally stop getting lost scrolling through Dribble. With Mobbin, you can analyze the entire user flow for Spotify's login, or see exactly how Uber handles their checkout process. You're not guessing at patterns. You're learning from designs that are already out there, proven to work for millions of users. And finally, our 5th and final tool. This one is basically a superpower. It uses AI to accelerate one of the most tedious parts of being a UX designer. Meet your new AI sidekick, Notebook LM. It's from Google. Imagine taking all of your user research, interview transcripts, survey results, articles, and just uploading it all. Then you can literally just ask it questions. Find patterns, get key insights summarized for you in seconds. A task that used to take 10 hours, it's now a 10-minute session. It is a complete and total game changer. So there you have it, your 5 essential tools. Now for my favorite part, the part that's going to save you countless hours and a ton of sanity.
Let's talk about the honest truth skip list.
So, what should you skip? At least for now. Look, tools like Adobe XD and Sketch are fine, but the industry has overwhelmingly chosen Figma for collaboration. It's just a fact. And those super complex animation tools, unless you specifically want to be a motion designer, Figma's built-in prototyping is more than enough to get hired. The key here is to avoid getting bogged down in stuff you just don't need yet.
Okay, you have the what. You know the toolkit. So now let's talk about the how. What is your very next step to put all this into action and actually master this stuff? It's really simple. Step 1, forget everything else and just dedicate yourself to mastering these 5 tools. That's your mission. Step 2, join us for our next explainer where we're going to dive deep into the Figma cheat codes that will make you 10 times faster and more effective than any other new designer out there.
You have the map. You have the tools. You know what to do and what to ignore. The only question left is, are you ready to get to work?